Okay students, today we are going to discuss about a modulo K problems. So obtain a DFA to accept a string W satisfying the condition W mod 3 greater than or equal to W mod 2 where W belongs to summation and then summation belongs to the symbol A. So here the condition what they have given is string length W mod 3 should be greater than or equal to W mod 2. So whenever a modulo problem is given like this, we follow the blind method. To identify the number of states in the DFA, you see it is mod 3 and here it is mod 2. So here it is 3 and here it is 2. So you multiply 3 into 2, it is 6. It means that the DFA will be having 6 different states. So what I do first, I try to construct a DFA in a form of a cycle fashion for this modulo problem consisting of 6 states on alphabet set A. So here I will write my states like this on A. From this state on A, it goes to the next state, and totally I should have 6 states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 states. On reading A and writing like a chain. So this is my starting state. So here how to identify the states here. Instead of giving the state names as Q0, Q1, Q2, I will write the possible reminders of 3. The possible reminders of 3 are 0, 1 and 2. The possible reminders of 2 are 0 and 1. So here in the states I will write the reminders first. I will take mod 3 reminders 0, 1, 2 and continue the sequence. The next is 0, 1, 2 and take the possible reminders of 2, that is 0 and 1. So give here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So here now these are the reminders. Instead of writing the state names as Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, I have written as 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1. So here to identify the final state, what is the condition given? String length of W mod 3 should be greater than or equal to W mod 2. So to identify this condition, see the reminders. The first reminder is mod 3 and the second reminder is mod 2. Here both the reminders are mod 3 reminder and mod 2 reminder are 0, 0. So here W mod 3 should be greater than or equal to mod 2. So this will be our final state. And similarly here also it is 1, 1. So 1, 1 means both are equal. Mod 3 is equal to W mod 2, the reminders. So this state also will be a final state. And see Q2, the condition W mod 3 greater than W mod 2. So this state also will be a final state. And see here this reminder, this is mod 3 reminder and this is mod 2 reminder. Mod 3 reminder 0 is less than 1. So this will not be a final state. But here if you see mod 3, that is 1 and this is mod 2 reminder. So here 1 is greater than 0. So this state also will be a final state. Similarly here this is mod 2, mod 3 reminder and mod 1 reminder, and this also will be our final state. So here this DFA has how many final states? It has 5 final states, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q4 and Q5. So this is the hint to identify the states. Instead of writing the state names as Q0, Q1, Q2, we can take the possible reminders of 3 and 2 and we can write like this, and easily we can identify the final states for this DFA based on the condition. I hope you all understood this. So finally we have to write the mission M. So M is equal to Q summation to Q naught F, and the transition diagram we have to write. So here instead of 0 0 you can replace with Q naught, 1 1 you can replace with Q1, 2 0 you can replace with Q2, and 0 1 with Q3, 1 0 with Q4, and 2 1 with Q5. So then finally you will get the automata. Thank you.